Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and drivers so adjustments actually take effect. First, check the monitor power, cable seating, and any physical brightness controls. Then open Device Manager and inspect display adapters and monitors for warnings or old driver versions. If drivers are outdated, update GPU and monitor drivers now. This fixes many brightness issues. Once done, restart the PC to apply driver changes so software controls will reflect correct hardware capabilities. Now modify operating system and graphics card controls to increase brightness. You can move the Windows display brightness slider and turn off night light, but also open your GPU control panel, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and raise gamma, digital vibrance, or overall brightness. Make sure the power profile is balanced or high performance so adaptive dimming doesn't lower output. Once you've matched OS and GPU settings, test with a bright image and iterate until color and luminance look right. Finish by calibrating and verifying results so your display stays bright and accurate. Run Windows Color Calibration or a third-party tool to adjust gamma and white point. This locks in perceived brightness. If on-screen display controls are unresponsive, reset the monitor OSD to factory defaults. If brightness remains low, swap cables, try another port, or connect a second monitor to isolate hardware. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes after these steps, test the panel with
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.